Okay, welcome back. So in this video, gusto ko lang pasadahan a bit yung idea about increasing and decreasing functions, no? So, paano mo masasabi kung yung isang function ba talaga ay increasing or decreasing, 'di ba? Like wala ka namang masabi, 'di ba, about kung increasing or decreasing ba yung function, 'di ba? So, to put it into math terms, no? Ang increasing function ay pag sinabi mo if you have A is less than B, okay, given in a function within the domain, tama, and f of A is less than f of B, okay, then this is what we call strictly increasing. Okay, so kung imagine mo lang is meron kang value na A less than B, okay, and yung pag in-evaluate mo yung f of A and f of B, mas malaki pa rin yung f of B, then meaning increasing yung function. 'Di ba? Like graphically, you can also imagine that something say something like this, 'di ba? Ito yung A, ito yung B, and if you evaluate f of A, f of B, mas malaki yung f of B kaysa sa f of A. Tama? So meaning, alam mo na increasing yung function, lumalaki yung value ng function as x increases. Tama? And kabaliktaran naman, 'di ba? If A is less than B and pabaliktad naman f of A is greater than f of B, then this is what we call strictly decreasing. Tama? And kabaliktad naman nung concept, 'di ba? So if say for example you have something like that and this is A and this is B. So this is f of A and f of B. Tama? So initially, malaki yung f of A, 'di ba? Then unti-unti siya na bumababa. Tama? As x increases. So alam mo na decreasing siya, 'di ba? Pero ito ay kung meron ka lang value ng f of A, f of B, and values of A and B, and kung saan meron kang values within the function domain. Tama? Paano naman kung using derivatives? No? So, say, using derivatives, remember, ang derivative ay basically a slope. Tama? And from our algebra class, we remember na kapag ang slope is something like this is increasing. Tama? And if a slope is something like this is decreasing. Tama? So this is just a recall. Tama? Recall our basic algebra class. Tama? So we can apply this idea on derivatives. No? So paano? So if f prime of x is greater than 0 for all values x is an element of A, B, then this is increasing. And kabaliktaran, if f prime of x is less than 0 for all values x, A, B, this is decreasing. Okay? So, you can imagine, so say you have a function, again, so let's just do a curve, diba? So, if we take the derivative at some point, tama? So, ang derivative is just basically the slope. So, this x-axis, this the y-axis, and ito yung naging slope, no? So, we have here a line tilting from left to right, and sinabi natin from dito na this is increasing. So, this is increasing. So, ganun lang siya kadali, no? Hindi na natin kailangan imagine. So, paano naman kung decreasing? So, let's say random curve, di ba? So, and we take a derivative at some point. So, kunyari, dito, hindi naman kailangan na nasa relative extreme. So, let's say we take the derivative at this point. So, ayan yung derivative, di ba? So, again, from our recall here, this is a decreasing graph, no? So, this is decreasing. And we have here a special case, no? Kung saan if f prime of x is just equal to 0, then this is just a constant, no? And makakita natin yon if we have a graph and yung derivative is perpendicular to the x-axis, no? So, perpendicular yan. Okay? So, this is just the idea of increasing and decreasing functions and paano natin sila ma-define, no? In terms of mathematical terms. Okay? So, see you in the next video.